Once upon a time, Singapore was a very small island. It had no gold, no oil, and no big farms. Most people were poor and lived in small wooden houses. Many people worked as fishermen just to survive. Singapore did not even have its own clean water. Other countries looked at Singapore and said, "This place will fail." Then something very scary happened. In 1965, Singapore was kicked out of Malaysia. People cried, leaders panicked. Singapore was now alone. No army, no money, no natural resources. Most countries in this situation would collapse, but Singapore chose a different path. One man believed this tiny island could become great. His name was Kuan. Kuan did not promise magic. He promised hard work and smart rules. First rule, no corruption. In Singapore, even powerful people followed the law. This made the world trust Singapore. Second rule, education comes first. Every child had to learn useful skills, not just theory, real-world skills. Third rule, make the country super clean and safe. No littering, no crime. Some rules were very strict, but the rules worked. People felt safe to work and build. And something amazing started to happen. The world started to notice Singapore.
Singapore had one secret weapon. It was sitting in the middle of the world's busiest trade routes. Ships from Asia, Europe, and America passed by every day. So Singapore built one of the best ports on Earth. Big ships came, small ships came, money followed. Next, Singapore had another smart idea. It invited foreign companies to do business. Singapore said, "Come here, we make business easy." Low taxes, clear laws, no corruption. Companies felt safe investing their money. Factories opened, offices opened. Jobs were created for the people. People earned money, people saved money. Life slowly started to improve. But Singapore was not done yet. Singapore focused on long-term thinking. It invested heavily in public housing. Most people could afford a clean home. This created stability. Next came world-class infrastructure. Moving people and goods became fast and easy. Then Singapore upgraded its people again. It trained workers for high-value jobs. Singapore moved from factories to finance. Banks and global money arrived. Singapore became a financial hub. People from all over the world came to work. The city grew taller and smarter. From poor island to global city. And the story still wasn't over. Today, Singapore is one of the richest countries in the world. People earn more money on average than most countries. The Singapore dollar is strong and stable. Global companies trust Singapore with their money. Investors know the rules won't suddenly change. Singapore became a place where money feels safe. But money alone did not make Singapore rich. People did. Skilled workers, honest leaders, clear rules. Singapore chose brains over natural resources. It turned discipline into an advantage. Small size became speed. Speed became success. Singapore proved size does not decide destiny. Choices do. This story is not just about Singapore. It is about what smart systems can do. Good rules beat lucky resources. Education is the best investment. Trust attracts money. Stability creates growth. Discipline creates freedom. Singapore didn't wait to be lucky. It designed its future. And that is why it works. A poor island became a rich nation, not by magic, but by smart decisions. This is the rise of Singapore. And this is what happens when a country thinks long-term.